If you're a senior who's ever thought, maybe I should start a YouTube channel, but I have no idea where to begin, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm walking you step by step through the entire process, from setting up your account, to filming your first video, to uploading it for the world to see. And don't worry, we're keeping everything simple, calm, and stress-free. Let's get started. Section 1. What you need. It's less than you think. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't even need a computer. All you need is a smartphone or tablet, an internet connection, a Google account, a little curiosity and courage. That's it. If you can make a phone call, you can make a YouTube video. Section 2. Setting up your YouTube account. Step 1. Create or sign in to your Google account. Go to google.com, tap Sign In, and follow the prompts. If you already use Gmail, you're good to go. Step 2. Open YouTube. On your phone or tablet, tap the YouTube app. Step 3. Create your channel. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Choose Create a Channel. Enter your name or a channel name like Life After 60 or Grandpa S Garden Tips. Tap Create. Congratulations, you now have a YouTube channel. Section 3. Planning your first video. Don't overthink it. Your first video doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be you. Here are simple ideas seniors love. A story from your life. A recipe you've made for years. Advice you wish you had at 30. A tour of your garden. A message for your kids or grandkids. A hobby you enjoy. Keep it short. 30 seconds to 2 minutes is perfect for beginners. Section 4. Filming your video. Step 1. Use your phone. Open your camera app. Choose video mode. Step 2. Hold the phone steady. Prop it on a table or lean it against a book. No need for tripods. Step 3. Good lighting. Face a window. Natural light makes you look great. Step 4. Speak slowly and smile. You're talking to a friend, not performing on stage. Step 5. Press record. Take a breath. Start talking. If you make a mistake, keep going. You can trim the video later. Section 5. Editing. The easy way. You don't need fancy software. On your phone, open the video you recorded. Tap Edit, trim the beginning or end, adjust brightness if needed. That's it. No complicated editing required. Section 6. Uploading to YouTube. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Step 2. Tap the plus button at the bottom. Step 3. Choose Upload a video. Step 4. Select your video. Step 5. Add a title like, My First YouTube Video at 70. Step 6. Add a short description. Step 7. Tap Next, then Public, then Upload. Your video is now live. Take a moment to celebrate. You're officially a YouTuber. Section 7. Engaging with viewers. When people comment, say thank you. Answer questions, ignore rude comments. They're not worth your time. YouTube is a community. Treat it like a friendly conversation. Section 8. Growing your channel, slow and steady. You don't need to go viral. Just be consistent. Try posting once a week or once every 2 weeks, or whenever you feel inspired, your audience will grow naturally. Section 9. Final encouragement. Starting a YouTube channel as a senior isn't just about videos. It's about sharing your wisdom, connecting with others, staying creative, leaving a legacy. You have stories worth telling. You have knowledge worth sharing. And the world needs your voice. So take that first step, record that first video, and welcome to YouTube.